Today, November 27, 2022, is Oral Awareness Day. The world celebrates this day on 4th Saturday of November every year. This date began in 2002. Hinduism, Buddhism, and other Indian religions have mentioned oral since ancient times. Each person on earth has an energy field or aura, and so do other creatures, such as plants and animals. As early as the 19th century, the word aura has already described the quality or energy emitted by someone or something. Charles Webster Leadbeater was a pastor of the British Church and studied in India. He admitted that he had mysterious powers that he could use for scientific investigation. In 1902, he elaborated on the aura of people at various stages. Aura is a unique feeling or future, which is the air of the people or places perceived by people who had met or experienced. Today, this day celebrates the effective belief that aura exists as the energy around every creature in the world. Certain types of cameras capture aura and display it as aura or as a ray cast around the body. Aura has different colors and can change over time. Each color is considered to be of alternating importance. Orange is imaginative and emotional. Pink is delicate and calm. Red often depicts a fearless and enthusiastic character. Yellow has a strong self-esteem and confidence. White is concentration and has an inspiring enthusiasm. Brown cherishes details. Green is attracted by wild animals and nature and is a natural healer. Purple has a strong personality. Blue is loving. These are the colors seen in different aura. Conceptual artist Christina Lonsdale once proposed that humans radiate extremely low levels of electricity, which is called electromagnetic fields. She started taking portraits and reading aura in 2014. Aura may also be dark or damaged, and the suffering aura indicates emotional, physical, or mental problems. Positive affirmation, imagination, meditation, and energy balance can help purify aura and bring about recovery when aura is damaged. This is the painting we've done today with oil pastels for this special day. Have a great day!